Next in line are the parties to the lawsuit. Who do you bring the complaint against? Seems like it should be an easy decision, but often it is not. If, for example, you have an NCE drug, you might have multiple filers all sending you paragraph 4s on the exact same day. Should you include them all together in one complaint? Alone among patent cases, the AIA has a special provision for Hatch-Waxman cases that allows a branded drug company to file one complaint against multiple defendants for infringement of the same patent. In a regular patent case, the branded company would have to sue each defendant individually. But should you do that? Should you bring them all together, or should you bring one complaint against each paragraph 4 filer? There are many schools of thought on this, but one caution about filing separate suits. While it is likely that your case will be consolidated and you hopefully will have one trial, what if it isn't? What if you end up having multiple trials? In my view, that's like having multiple trips to the dentist, and I like my dentist. Caution against having multiple trials. Anything can happen at multiple trials. If that's not complicated enough, you might also have to consider bringing suit against more than one party for each ANDA filer. For example, it's often the case that in an ANDA, there'll be one party on the one hand that manufactures the drug and another party on the other hand that files the ANDA, and still a third party that might have helped with the ANDA, and you'll need relief potentially against all of them. If you can find out those details before you file your paragraph 4 case, you ought to consider including those parties as defendants. And while you'll get a chance to amend your complaint later on, it's always best to start off on the right foot.